Hi, are you searching for information on Global Domains International, also known as GDI, and wondering if it's really worth it? Well, stick around because not only am I going to share the truth about GDI, but I'm also going to show you how my GDI funnel helps everyday people actually see results faster. Now, Global Domains International has been around since the year 2000, and for just $10 a month, even with a 7-day free trial, they give you a domain name, web hosting, email addresses, and a chance to build an income online by sharing the program with others. It's affordable, it's legit, and it's simple to start. But here's the problem that most people run into. Over 90% of the people haven't made any money from GDI, and that's why they quit. Okay, a lot of times they barely get enough to even pay themselves the $10 a month back. And why is that? It's not because GDI is a scam. It's because most people don't know how to generate leads, how to follow up with the prospects automatically, or how to build a team without burning out first. Okay, that's exactly why I built this budget-friendly funnel right here that you see. The GDI, it does the heavy lifting for you. It has capture pages already set to collect leads, automatic follow-up emails written and sent for you by the autoresponder, a system that works 24/7 even while you're spending time with the family. Now, if you don't know what an autoresponder is, don't worry about it. That's what I'm here for, okay? All you have to do is plug into the funnel and focus on sending traffic. Consistency plus automation is what makes the difference. Okay, so if you've been searching for Global Domains International reviews or thinking about joining GDI, don't just sign up the hard way. Use a funnel that brings in signups and commissions for myself and my team. Okay, here's a picture of my email right here. Now, this is no guarantee that you're going to earn the same. You can, again, join GDI and end up earning nothing. But you can see there's multiple streams of income in here. Okay, besides GDI. A lot of these other income streams are traffic, because you need traffic to be successful online. You must have traffic. Okay, that's very important. Okay, so check the link below this video and grab your free 7-day trial of GDI and take a look at the same funnel that I'm earning from. GDI is affordable, it's real, it's long-lasting. It's the difference between struggling and succeeding comes down to the system that you use. That's why I recommend, of course, I'm going to recommend starting with the funnel. Okay? So go below this link and, yeah, opt in today. Okay, and if you have any questions, please post them below this video. I would love to answer them and get back in touch with you. Okay, God bless.